Hi, I'm Ray, back in the polytunnel again. And one thing I do like doing when I've got a spare time is looking through Marketplace and looking at items that are generally for free, as I'm a bit tight and don't like spending my money, especially on the allotment. Everything's kind of recycled, reused, and yeah, try to save a few pennies. But last week I saw an advert for 20 free cactuses, and I'm not really into cactuses. I want to grow cactus, and I've just got a few new ones that I've recently acquired for free on Marketplace. People wanted somebody to grow them on, so I want to learn about them and get some experience of growing cactuses. But when I picked up the 20 free cactuses, I wasn't quite expecting to carry a bag full of little cactuses. So I'm going to see if I can grow these on and hopefully get a nice collection of cactus on the go. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this small pot to put in these cactus in. Is it cacti? There's so many of them. But I'm going to use this pot, and we don't have any special cactus compost, but I'm going to make some out of what I've got at the allotment. So first of all, they don't like it too wet, so I've got some sand, and this is just some sharp sand, and I've also got some gravel, and this will give a bit of drainage to our mix. And we're going to add the gravel to the sand, and then I've also got a bit of compost, and this is just normal multi-purpose compost, and it's quite lumpy, so I'm just going to give it a sift using this basket, and it will sift away all the big bits, and it's going to give us some nice little compost mix. The compost cactus mix can be bought, and we can also use perlite, which will be great, but I don't have perlite. I've only got vermiculite, and vermiculite, the water will soak into the vermiculite, where the perlite will just drain around the perlite. So this is our mix that we're going to be using. So I keep all these big bits, and they can be reused in another pot. So that's our fine mix that we've got with our compost, our gravel and our sand. And I'm just going to mix this all together and make our cactus compost. So now it's going to be really gravelly, and the water will drain away. So we're going to use this pot, and we're going to fill up the pot with our mix, and I'm just going to press it down, and that'll be great. We've got holes at the bottom, so it's going to allow for the drainage. So let's have a look at our cactuses we've got. So they're a few odd shapes, and they're quite spiky. So they're a combination of small and large. I'm actually going to put a glove on. I don't want to be spiked. So I'm going to take the biggest ones first. And I'm just going to place them onto the compost. So that did spike me. So we're looking for the roots. These are going to go indoors. And once they've grown slightly bigger, they can be repotted into their own pots. They are a bit on the spiky side. Oh, there's another tall one here. I'm just firming them in. Got a couple of small ones here. So it's going to be most interesting to watch these grow. And they're going to go indoors. They are spiky. There we go. So I think I had one more. Looking for the roots. Yeah. So I can't wait to watch these grow. And that's my 3 cactuses. I can't wait. I might even put this small row of little ones down the middle. I just hate to see anything being wasted. They are tiny. Very tiny. So I can't wait to see these grow on. These are very small. So I didn't know what I was expecting. I don't think they look the best, and they're slightly small. They don't look that great, so I'm going to leave those out, and we're just going to have those for our collection. Look at that. That's great. All for free, using a few items from the allotment. I can't wait to watch these grow. So there we go. I'm super excited to grow these, and that was a great display. That is really great. I'm going to find a tray for this to set in, so we can just collect the water from when it drains. But that is magnificent. Really can't wait. Ow! So let me know in the comments, have you grown any cactuses? Have you made your cactus mix? And what have you used to make your cactus mix? Let me know in the comments. But I can't wait. Can't wait to see these grow on. Cheers!